Everyone is talking about AI taking over the world, but is it actually true? Are these bots really as smart as they claim to be? Today, we are going to test that right in the heart of the market. For this test, I've chosen the three biggest giants in the industry: ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok. I'll be sending them live charts, screenshots, and asking them to set up a scalp trade for me. Each will have exactly three chances. Let's see which one acts like a strategic genius and which one is just an algorithm full of complex sentences. If you're ready, let the AI war begin. While AI can be helpful in some areas of daily life, it's actually pretty terrible at trading. As you see in ChatGPT went 0 for 3. Grok gave us a glimpse of hope, but eventually hit the stop loss. Gemini only offered a small consolation with BTC. Use AI for prompts or coding, but keep it away from your wallet. The market doesn't care about prompts or algorithms. It does its own thing. See you in the next video. Keep your money for yourself, not for the AI.